Hey, vlogging fans! It's vlogging time in Canada! And right here I have a little bowl of popcorn. And over here I have a bunch of items that I could be putting in my popcorn. Right here I have a list. I have a bowl of all the items. Right here. There's a total of 14. And I'm going to be picking out 7.
2, 3, 4.
That'd be funny if there's not 14.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, I'm kidding. There's 14.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
I'm not going to be looking.
Pick it. Popcorn challenge. Tell your friends. Just pick one.
I already got one.
What is it?
Oh, wait.
Can I pick one for you?
Yeah. Wait. This one is sour cream.
Sour cream. Oh, it's a bad one. Okay, so I picked this. I picked this one. The long one. What is it?
Oh gosh. Peanut butter.
Oh, that's pretty good. Everyone loves peanut butter. Plus, there's not that much in there.
And I have to eat all of it. Okay, this is how much peanut butter I'm putting in.
Wow, that's not very much.
You said I have to put in like at least.
We're gonna be putting this in the blender. Oh wait, we broke it.
It's all sticking.
Can I pick another one?
Yeah, one more.
Yeah.
So this is number 3. I can count.
Okay, here you go.
You already know what it is, don't you?
I do.
Mustard! I still have to put the sour cream in.
You can just do that after.
Ugh. I hate sour cream. I'm only gonna put this much in. Ugh. And I can't really mix it out with the spoon, so I have to kind of. Alright. Now what was the next one?
I gave it to you, mustard. Now it's you pick one.
So that was number 3.
If this is good, make sure to get this recipe. I would laugh if you got hummus.
Oh, I actually like hummus though.
On popcorn? Delicious.
Yummy.
It actually reminds me.
Just mix this up again.
Good.
Yeah.
I want some hummus right now. Don't judge. Love hummus.
That was number 1, 2, 3. Number 4.
Let me guess. Wait, let me guess. Pam.
Yep.
Yeah. What? And we don't know if we can eat this stuff. But since you put it in baking, we
So that was number
thought
4.
that might be
Number 5.
Ha, I know what that is. Hot sauce. I put all the bad ones on the top. Whoops. Oh, I want you to get sugar now. Maybe it'll a little goes down all that spiciness. Why can't I open this sauce?
Pepper. Pepper.
Yummy. If only you got the other one. Why can't I open this sauce?
What the heck was that?
Oh, that's Mitchell's ringtone.
I'm gonna throw up.
We don't need that much.
Yes, we do. Number's number 5. Number 6.
Someone texted me.
Cheese.
Oh.
Ooh, I like cheese.
Plus, this might be expired. Grandma gave it to us last year.
Did you really?
Don't the more updated one?
Yes, please.
Can't seem to find any.
No, you gotta do this.
No, you don't use that. Hold this.
Hello. Jaina is currently cutting the cheese.
Actually, I'm grating it.
She's grating and cutting the cheese.
Nope, just grating it. Say when.
A little bit more.
Probably this side would be better.
Yeah. Rub that cheese good.
Are they home?
No. Oh, we weren't even supposed to make anything. Oh well.
Oh, I didn't make
No.
anything.
We I made lots of things and I'm proud of it. And for my last item.
Plus they don't want to be in the videos. They're gonna have to wait up. I'm kidding. They're not gonna wait outside.
Oh, vinegar.
Is that the last one? That's right.
Alright, here's the kumwa.
What?
Kumwa. Okay, can someone cut that off? Oh. That sizzled a lot. Oh,
I like vinegar.
This is gonna be like soggy. Let's mix this up. I'm gonna dry my hands out before I eat it.
You love vinegar. What are you talking about?
Oh man. Because I'm actually not gonna be using my hands for this.
He's gonna be using? I have no idea.
My face. It's my face.
Oh, you are. Don't get that hot sauce on your eye.
It'll be funny if I do.
Yeah, it would be.
Wait 1 second. If I throw up. I throw up.
Don't use that bowl. Use the bowl for baking. Use another bag.
Well, now I'll have bar flavored cookies next.
I don't want bar flavored cookies.
Are you ready?
Yep. How are you gonna get your face in there? Your head's way too big. Down. Oh, it actually is. Is
I
it
can't
good?
fit it. Nope. I have to use my
Let me
hand.
try some.
Hey, you can't even eat popcorn. Hey, Janice had the first throw at me.
Yep.
And I'm gonna dump some more sour. No, I'm not.
Some more peanut butter. Doesn't look peanut butter enough.
Alright, I'm gonna. Just do it!
Probably should have mixed that vinegar a bit. Is it good? I think he enjoys it. Doesn't look revolted at all. He's enjoying it. He loves it. You should really try this recipe. It's hot sauce, mustard, Pam, peanut butter, sour cream, not barbecue sauce, no.
Oh my gosh.
Pepper.
Okay, we get what's in it.
So, describe those flavors. Are they good? What's the best flavor?
None of them.
It's my friend, hold this.
Well, we're currently on pause.
Peace.
We're currently on pause. 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 We're currently on pause.
Oh, it's right here. It's just...
We're currently on pause.
I'm gonna...
This is like the best tasting